Hi Gemini, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your love read now. Gemini, let's see what's going on in your love life, how you're feeling, how your person's feeling, and where your energies are aligning now. These are general collective readings, gems, will not resonate with all of you out there. Take what works for you and just leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Gemini and send them the messages they need to hear the most about their love life now. Thank you. So, Gems, let's take an angel blessing card to top this reading. Let's see how my angels will guide you, bless you, advise you, or just send you a message for my Gemini, my angels. Okay, this one. The card I have here for you, Gemini, says higher education. Maybe there is a need to tap into your spirituality. Maybe one of you or both of you, I don't know. This could be. Let's see what this means for you, Gemini. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all your likes, your shares, your care, your comments, and your support to the channel. Thank you for being so kind to me. I'm very, very grateful. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So, Gemini, newbies, I'm setting down 2 sets of cards here. One side is for you, one side is for your person, and in the center, I'll have some mutual energies. But of course, for the duration of the reading, I will be referring this side as person A, this side as person B. You decide which side you resonate best with, okay? And if any of you are looking for a private reading, Gemini, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Bottom of my deck is the 8 of Pentacles in reverse. Amazing. Libra got the same card. The last card on the deck was the 8 of Pentacles in reverse. So what is it with you air signs not wanting to put in any work towards a relationship at the moment? What's happening here? Okay. For person A, the first card I have is the 8 of Wands, 9 of Pentacles, 3 of Pentacles, the Hierophant, 7 of Wands, and the Sun in reverse. Okay, for person B, 2 of Wands, Page of Swords, the World in reverse, 2 of Pentacles, 7 of Pentacles, and the High Priestess in reverse. Let's see what's happening here. Let's take some dialogue message cards first to top the reading, then we'll start with that. Gemini and the person spirit, if they could say something to each other now. Thank you. Gemini and their person. Okay. So the first card I have here for you is, I get so frustrated by the intense telepathy, the dreams, and the strong sexual energy, even though I'm alone. Your hunger and desire for me has me burning up, but you're nowhere to be found. The passion is an all-consuming, inextinguishable fire, and it's driving me crazy. So maybe you guys are in separation, not together with each other at the moment, but the telepathy is there and the feelings are there. I would like you to meet my friends. I want you to be involved in all areas of my life because you are my world and I want everyone to know. Maybe this is a hidden relationship, Gemini, where one partner says, let's make it more public now. I want it to be known that we are together now. Why do you try and downplay our connection? See, exactly what I was saying. Maybe it's a hidden relationship where it's not in the open. And one partner saying, enough, it is enough. I want to feel proud of being out with my partner and not have to keep it a secret here. Why do you try and downplay our connection even when you know the importance it holds? You know who we are to each other. Why do you try and dismiss it? This really cuts deep, like a knife to the heart. Next card. You're the owner of my heart, my feelings, my soul, and my body. I belong to you and we are one. I love you. So the love is there, but from the feeling I get, it's still a secret relationship, which is not out in the open yet. I know that you stalk me on social media and use other sources to gather information about me after you've chosen to ghost me. It's not so cool. If you want to know anything about my life, you should step up and be involved in it. Be there with me. Why do you ghost me, leave me alone, and then check who I'm with or what am I doing or who I'm going out with, if I'm going out with somebody? I would rather you just be with me, right? Instead of doing all that. I just want to hold you now. It's been too long since you held me close and I'm aching for you. So from what I feel, this is a kind of a secret relationship. So let's see for person A. Person A has the 8 of Wands in reverse and the 9 of Pentacles in reverse. So I think you guys are really not talking about the delay, or maybe why this delay has happened, or maybe there's a third party situation here, and there is a bit of embarrassment to talk about this, whatever has happened here. Yeah, there is somebody doesn't want to talk about it. Somebody is delaying this conversation which has to take place because they're very embarrassed and ashamed, maybe of hiding the truth about, oh my God, just under the 9 of Pentacles, I have the Queen of Cups. I didn't put her there. The card just came out by mistake. They were stuck together. So yes, see that now you see the other person. So somebody doesn't want to talk about this. Somebody doesn't want to talk about it. Yes, there could be a third party situation. These two cards were stuck together. Okay, I didn't put them there. When I picked up this one showed up. So yes, somebody doesn't want to talk about it. Somebody doesn't want to talk about this third party situation. They feel embarrassed. They feel ashamed. They don't want to acknowledge or have any conversation regarding it. Because why is that, Spirit? Because that's the reason this relationship has halted at the moment. That's the reason it's not moving forward. And they don't know what to say. They are trying to cover it up, cause some delays so that, the other person doesn't question them or leave them. Yes, they want to keep things stuck at the moment, or maybe they are stuck. They are in a stuck kind of a position here where maybe they can't offer one person a commitment. Right? Why? Because they're still in between two choices here, 2 of Pentacles. But they don't want to talk about it. They're just creating delays over delays and hoping, if you don't talk about it, it's like putting the rubbish under the rug and pretend it's not there kind of a thing. That's what this person is trying to do. Inside them, they know that it's embarrassing to admit that they can't move forward at the moment. Hierophant, Spirit? Hierophant? They don't want this relationship to end. They don't want somebody to turn their back because of this third party situation. They're fearing that somebody may kind of just, stop fighting for this connection. And that will not make them happy. Yes, that makes them feel very burdened, that somebody probably slow down this connection, or maybe make a decision against them. So they're just trying to prolong the agony, because somewhere, I think somehow they feel they are not in a position right now to choose. But this person is manifesting something. Let me see what that is. What is person A trying to manifest, Spirit? What are they trying to manifest? They're trying to manifest some kind of an ending, and they want to have some clear communication with person B, but they don't want to appear foolish. What is the spirit? What is it that they're trying to manifest? They don't want to make a foolish mistake. They don't want to make a foolish mistake, and they don't want things to backfire on them. So, because maybe they're scared of commitment, maybe they they don't want to make a foolish mistake, so they're keeping everybody in limbo at the moment, because they feel that if I make some decision, if I have clear communication, this may backfire on me. So I might as well not do anything about it. Might as well not put in any work, because the minute I do, things may kind of turn back on me. So what are they manifesting here? What are they manifesting here? Oh, they're trying to create illusions, Spirit is saying. Yes, they're trying to create illusions. They're trying to keep control of the situation around them. This person could be a bit controlling, and they want everybody to dance to their tunes right now, because I think this person has a fear of being alone also. So they're trying to keep everybody in check, in like, you stay quiet here, you stay quiet here, let me not say anything, let me create these illusions, let me delay this process, because I don't like to be alone. This is a codependent personality, Gemini, so this could be you, this could be the other person. This person doesn't like to be alone. I think this is a childhood issue of theirs, maybe the inner child. Something happened in their childhood where they got abandoned or something, and they like to have everybody around them and not have to make a decision, maybe regarding one person. Person B has the Two of Wands in reverse. Person B has, I think, already chosen that they are not going to stay in a stressful situation. I don't want to be in a stressful situation. They find their partner very immature here. Even though the chapter is not really shut here, Gemini, person B, whoever you are, what's this Page of Swords, Spirit? And the World? Oops. Yeah, the person B feels this person is a player, they're immature. Yes, there could be a soulmate connection, there could be a good friend, maybe we can go back to being friends or something. But this person feels that this person is very immature here. So I think person B is the one who's making a firm decision. I don't want to work in a third-party situation. I'm sorry. I can be friends with you if you want. Yeah, we can keep it light, but I'm not going to play with you anymore, because I now know the truth here. I know the honest truth, what is going on in your life. I am no longer wanting to invest in this three-way street anymore, and I'm going to make that decision now. Two of Swords, Spirit. Two of Swords, what's this decision? Yeah, I think that they are doing the same thing. They're trying to keep things light. Okay, the Sun in reverse. So some parts are hidden, some are illuminated. Even on this is they I think mirroring person A. What they are doing is exactly what person B is doing. If you're not going to give me 100%, then I'm also going to start keeping a few things secret to myself now, because you're not my only one either. You can go and play wherever else you want. Seven of Pentacles. Yes, now I think all secrets have come out. Maybe this person tried to keep the chapter open for a little while, thinking that, I can play the same game. But as the days are going, as this person is very intuitive, as they're getting more and more clear and they're getting their answers, they are stopping investing. They're investing less and less time, let's say, with person A now. And this, I think, chapter is coming to a close, or at least they're closing it now. Yes, person B started being very defensive now. Like if, you guys were talking, say, twice a week, now it's become once a month, because this person was creating delays in the connection. So trying to keep it, just going for the sake of going. So person B, I think, tried it, but as days, I think, is dying a natural death. the communication has become lesser and lesser. Person B is becoming more and more defensive. They're realizing that no, now all the secrets are out. Do I really have time to waste on sending a message or call today? I'll call another day. So that passion is going now. Okay, that excitement of that interaction and texting back and forth, I think that's slowly ebbing down because they don't feel it's going to grow. This investment is ever going to grow. High Priestess in reverse, Spirit. High Priestess in reverse. High Priestess in reverse. Yes, this person is, I think, not interested now in having any they don't want any truth and clarity, or they're not expecting anything. Things have kind of halted between the two of you. Person B is now feeling, I really want these offers? They don't do anything for me. I'm not interested. This is like giving up kind of energy. Person B is kind of given up after they've realized the truth about why these delays were being kept. Let's see your mutual energy. Yes, Seven of Swords, cheating, lying. Four of Swords, somebody holding back. And Gemini, here's your card, the Lovers. So, the Seven of Swords, Spirit. Seven of Swords. Seven of Swords. I think somebody is healing right now. I think this could be person B who has realized that person A has been lying to has been lying to them. They've cheated them maybe, or they were hiding things, or not telling them the complete truth. I think person B has now is trying to drop the connection, is trying to heal from whatever has happened between the two of you. Four of Pentacles. Yeah, I think person B is holding back now because this has been a Tower moment. I think some secrets came out here. Some secret came out about how this person could maybe never ever commit to you because they maybe had another lover here. Okay, and now there is holding back going on. Or maybe they had another person, and because this person was unable to choose, a Tower moment happened, and I think both of you are kind of holding back now. So what's this Lovers card, Spirit? It's come out twice for Gemini. It is their card. What's this Lovers in your mutual energy? Yeah, decisions are being made. Decisions are being made here. It's a hard decision. It's a hard decision because I think there was a lot of friendship or happiness in your connection, but somebody feels the just thing to do for my life, with higher education, with my spiritual knowledge, the right thing to do is now that I've understood that this was a toxic energy that I was in, or an unhealthy relationship, I think it's time to even stop fighting for it. Somebody has spent a lot of time worrying, waiting, but as the days have gone by, this worry, anxiety turned to upset and anger, okay? And the feeling that all love is lost. So I guess decisions are being made right now by one person to no longer work with a person who is not making a decision between options here, I think. Anything else, Spirit, for Gemini? Yes, I think at one point, somebody wanted this beautiful connection of the Ten of Pentacles, thought it was possible, and now I think enough time has been spent on regrets for how it didn't happen. I think somebody is no longer going to look back anymore. They've turned around to say, I can find my own happiness. I'm going towards my own Ten of Pentacles. You want to play games with whoever you want to play games. Continue, carry on. I'm no longer going to live in regret and wait for a commitment which may or may never come. Okay? So, yes, decision is being made. Somebody is deciding not to put in any more work into a very burdening situation. Okay? So that's all I have for you, Gemini. I'm sorry it wasn't that happy, but it is the way it is, right? Love and light. Take care. Namaste.